Meesho Limited's anchor book encountered turbulence after several major investors withdrew. But why? The Indian e-commerce company was said to have allocated nearly a quarter of the shares in this tranche for SBI Funds Management Private. The report also mentioned that the heavy allocation to SBI funds sparked resistance from other large institutional players. Meesho opened its anchor book, the portion of shares set aside for institutional investors, on Tuesday ahead of its initial public offering that kicked off on Wednesday. Among the investors that pulled out were Capital Group, Aberdeen Group plc, Norges Bank Investment Management, ICICI Prudential Asset Management Company, Nippon India Life Asset Management Limited, and Nomura Asset Management, the report said. Many of these funds had sought allocations comparable to SBI funds and decided to step back in what was widely viewed as a coordinated protest. But despite the withdrawals, Meesho's anchor book still includes several prominent global names. The lineup features sovereign wealth funds such as GICPTE and Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, major long-only investors like Fidelity International, BlackRock Inc., and Bailey Gifford, along with global firms including WCM Investment Management and Dragoneer Investment Group LLC. As per the latest exchange data, despite the protest, the company still raised 2,439 crore rupees from the marquee investors ahead of its IPO. The e-commerce company aims to raise a total of 5,421 crore rupees, out of which 4,250 crore rupees is intended to be raised through the issuance of fresh shares. The remaining 1,170 crore rupees is reserved for the offer for sale route. The price band for Meesho's IPO is set at 105 to 111 rupees per equity share. According to the market observers, shares of Meesho Limited traded at a premium of 47 rupees in the grey market as of December 3rd. Existing investors including Elevation Capital Limited, Peak XV Partners Investments, and Meesho's founders will sell the shares as part of the offering.
In a world where business never stops, Mint keeps you ahead, any screen, anytime, from studios to the ground.
Mint is doing brilliantly well. It's a well-read page, I would think.
Mint breaks down business, leadership, and lifestyle, boldly, visually, and smartly. From boardrooms to markets, from personal wealth to industry trends, we bring you the insights that matter. What fuels India's biggest CEOs? Ride along and find out. Want to invest like the pros? Learn from India's top market experts. Your money, your future. We make finance simple. Step inside breathtaking homes and the creative minds behind them. India's real estate scene decoded. No jargon, no fluff. Some chase success, others create it. Meet the ones who made the impossible possible. We don't just talk business, we show it, and the world's watching.